here, in this video I will show you how to create professional signature in Outlook. So for this I am here on outlook.live.com. So first of all you need to log in with your account. After logging in you will be directed to this page. Now here you need to click on new email, and now here in insert section we have the signature option. Click on this drop down arrow and go to signatures. So here click on new signature, and now here you need to create a signature. So how a professional signature looks like, let me tell you. First of all you need to enter your contact information. Now okay, let me correct it. Okay, now press enter, and here you need to add email, then add your phone number, then add location or address. We can go with address, and then you can add your social media handle. Okay, now here you need to add your email account. So I will add xyz@outlook.com. okay, then you can add a phone number here. So I will add a phone number randomly. Okay, the number is added. Then you can add address. So you can add street, then house number. Okay, the address is done. Then your social media handle. So you can add, let's add a space after address, then your social media handle, add a semicolon, and here you can add your Facebook, then your Instagram, and then your email. So you can add your Facebook someone_1. okay, then your Instagram. So you can add xy_z, and then you can add your email, which can be xyz@gmail.com. okay, now you can add the name to your signature. So I will add a name as professional signature. Okay, so now click on save. So now the signature is saved. Let me go back, click on save. Okay, now if I go to signature and I want to add a professional signature here, and as you can see the signature is added. In this way you can create your professional signature in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.